In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a Notion flashcards template step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Flashcards are one of the best ways to study, revise, and retain information, and Notion makes it incredibly flexible to organize and review them in one place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to find, add, and start using a flashcards template inside Notion in just a few minutes. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Notion tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Notion in your browser or desktop app and make sure you're logged into your account. On the left sidebar, look for the small arrow near the top of your workspace. This arrow opens additional options and helps you navigate more easily. Go ahead and click on that arrow to expand the menu. Next, from the expanded options, click on Templates. This will take you directly to the Notion template gallery, where you can browse both official and community-created templates. Once the templates page loads, move your cursor to the search bar at the top. In the search field, type Flashcards and press Enter. Notion will now show you a list of templates related to flashcards that are designed for studying, memorization, and spaced repetition. From the results, find the template named Flashcards and click on it. This will open the template preview page, where you can see how the flashcards database is structured and what features are included. Take a quick moment to look through the preview so you understand what you're adding to your workspace. When you're ready, click on the Add button. Notion will then ask where you want to add this template. Choose Add to Private if you want the flashcards to be visible only to you. This is ideal for personal study notes, exams, or private learning projects. After adding the template, Notion will automatically create a new page in your private section. Click on Flashcards to open the newly added template. Inside, you'll see a ready-made flashcard system where each card can contain a question on one side and an answer on the other. You can start customizing this immediately by renaming cards, adding your own questions, and filling in answers. You can also add tags, subjects, or difficulty levels, depending on how you like to study. The beauty of Notion flashcards is that you can adapt them for anything, from language learning and exams to coding concepts or interview prep. Once your flashcards are set up, you can review them regularly and update them anytime as your knowledge grows. And that's it. You've successfully built a Notion flashcards template and added it to your workspace in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tutorials, productivity tips, and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.